How does the death of a parent affect grandparent rights? When a parent passes away, it can be a challenging time for everyone involved, especially for grandparents. Many people wonder how this loss impacts their rights regarding their grandchildren. Let's break it down. First, it is essential to know that the death of a parent does not automatically give grandparents legal rights to see or care for their grandchildren. Just because a parent has died does not mean that grandparents have visitation or custody rights. The surviving parent usually retains full authority over decisions about the child's care. This includes who the child can spend time with. If the surviving parent decides to prevent contact between the child and the deceased parent's family, grandparents may need to take legal action to gain visitation rights. This often involves filing a petition with the court. The court will then look at whether visitation is in the child's best interests. In some situations, grandparents may be named as guardians in the deceased parent's will. However, this does not automatically override the surviving parent's rights. While the will can show the deceased parent's wishes, it does not grant legal authority by itself. If both parents have passed away, grandparents can petition for custody of the child, especially if there are no other suitable caregivers. Courts typically focus on the child's welfare when deciding on custody or visitation matters. Some states have specific laws that allow grandparents to request visitation after a parent's death. However, these rights can vary significantly depending on the state. Grandparents often must prove their biological relationship to the child and show that maintaining this relationship benefits the child. In cases where a parent is deceased or unable to care for the child, courts may allow grandparents to present evidence that the deceased parent agreed to visitation. If this consent is established, the court will determine visitation based on the child's best interests. From a family relationships perspective, the death of a parent can create emotional and legal challenges for grandparents. While the law emphasizes the surviving parent's authority, grandparents often play a vital role in the child's life. Navigating these rights requires understanding both the legal framework and the importance of maintaining healthy family connections. For grandparents, practical steps include seeking legal advice early to understand their rights and options. Open communication with the surviving parent can also help facilitate visitation. Grandparents should be ready to demonstrate how ongoing contact benefits the child's emotional and developmental needs. Overall, while the death of a parent does not automatically enhance grandparents' rights, it may open legal pathways for visitation or custody depending on the circumstances and the laws in their state. The focus remains on supporting the child's welfare and maintaining meaningful family connections.